Then you get your cute little pink controller. Look at that. So this has 3 buttons on it. It's got a What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got 2 packages for us. One is going to be a pair of shoes from a new seller. What shoes are they? Who's the seller? We're going to find out whenever I get to that box. And then the other one is going to be an Amazon package with some pet accessories. I believe it's a collar. What type of collar? I'm not too sure. We're just going to have to bust into it. But before I do that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It means the world to me. I want to help as many people save money as I can. I also now have memberships. So if you want access to all the videos I've ever made, along with some exclusive stuff that is already out and to be out soon, then yeah, I highly recommend. I think you can join for either $2.99 or $3.99. So not doing too much damage on the pockets, and all those proceeds is going to just be reciprocated into the channel so I can find new DH Gate sellers and other stuff like that. I also have a Discord, over 3,400 members, helping them save money, helping them get the specific items that they're asking for. So if you're not over there, come join us. It's fun, hang out, and you talk with me, talk with other people in the community. But yeah, let's go ahead and bust it open. I think we're gonna do the leashes first, or the collars, just to check it out, because I'm a little curious. All the products I do get from Amazon, I can list those on YouTube and Google. So the listing to this is going to be down in the description. This is from Jug Bow. If you don't know, they are a pet accessory company, and this is a training collar, a braided rope, a controller, and a charging cable, and a user manual. Pretty cool packaging, and this is the DT59. And then let's check out what this little one is before we bust into the big box. All right, so it does have a little device on here, and that charges. This is like a really cool material, kind of like what an athletic band is made out of at the gym. That's kind of what it feels like. And then it's just this bright orange color, but if you see, it's got this little contraption here, and I'm kind of curious as to what that just might be. It does have the clasp as well, fully adjustable, really, really nice. This feels really, really durable too, so can't go wrong there. Let's get into the bread and butter here and see what's going on. That did come with the charging cable too. All right, how do I open this thing? Ta-da! All right. Oh, upside down, shit. There we go. All right, let's get the user manual out and see what's going on with this. Press the top button to find the beat, vibration, and shock. Rotate it easily to adjust the mode level. Press the transmitter illuminate button to turn on the light. Press it to turn it off again. So comes with a little harness kit too, so you can like kind of customize this thing. So if I'm understanding this correctly, I believe this is a training shocking dog collar. That's pretty cool. So I have a Rottweiler, and she's wonderful. She's absolutely beautiful. But of course, me training her was probably going to be different than, say, someone in their 40s or 50s or 60s trying to train a Rottweiler. So I can see why these things do get utilized, and I'm sure they are great training tools. I'm just going to check this out real quick just to make sure. Has a beep, a vibration, and a shock. Has a 4,200 foot range, 2-hour rapid charging lithium battery, color eye protection screen, 2 receiver collars, and a magnetic charging port. So let's get it out. Comes with this little baby leash as well, which is going to be in pink. Here's the actual receiver itself. And it's got these 2 little black prongs on it, so I assume that that is how the shocking and the vibrating goes down. And then you get your cute little pink controller. Look at that. So this has 3 buttons on it. It's got a sound a shock, and has like a lightning bolt. Has a light. Here, let's turn it on. Let's get it going here. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put it on myself. Turn on the receiver, hold the button for 1 second. Boom, it's on, it just vibrated. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow, okay. So it's got this little button on the side next to the on and off switch, and if you push that button, it switches between collar 1 and collar 2. So you do get to use both collars or both devices if you have a second Jug Bow device. So I'm gonna keep it on 1 because that's the one in my hand. Okay, and then we're gonna see what this middle button does. Middle button makes it vibrate. That's crazy. And then we're gonna hit the shock and see what happens. Just a little bloop, bloop, that's it. I'm not gonna personally test it out to see what that feels like. You can also turn the light on. So it's got a little light, and then this also has a button indicator at the top, kind of like your portable battery pack would, so you can see just how charged your collar is. But if you have a dog that pulls, or just really is a strong dog and you're needing a little bit of extra assistance, I think this is probably the perfect tool that you could use. All the links and stuff are going to be down in the description. Shout out to Jug Bow. Pretty flawless design, and also pretty super easy instructions. It's got a power cord, and just like everything else you own, it's got a charging cord as well. This has a magnetic charger, so I believe it just kind of rests right on either of these dongles, because these are metal, I assume, right, if they're gonna shock, and that's probably how it charges. It also has 2 little bits up here. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, yeah. It's got 2 little magnetic balls, so it just slides in like that. Very easy. Cool. Cool. Yeah, that's a cool little toy. So if you are in the market for one of these, or your friend just got a dog and you're looking, maybe get them a little puppy welcoming gift, these also can be used for cats if you got an outdoor cat or whatnot. I'm sure there's probably an app as well. I'm not going to look into that just now, but with the app, there may also be some GPS tracking as well. And it comes with a lifetime warranty and a video guide. So if I missed anything, you can always pop over to their website, which will be down in the description, and check out Jug Bow. Get yourself a training dog collar. But yeah, let's bust into some shoes, and that'll wrap it up for today's video. I have been waiting on these for a little bit, but I got them just in time because we're just now starting to peak into those 90-degree temperatures. I've been warning you guys for a while. If you haven't seen my summer clothing haul, go get you some of those Lululemon shorts. I've been wearing the crap out of them, and I absolutely love them, especially the green pair with kind of like the built-in underwear with the pockets on the sides. I've worn those at least 2 to 3 times a week since I've got them, and I highly recommend. But yeah, got the Gucci bugs. Cool. Let's see what's all cooking in here. Comes with the little cards. Gucci dust bag. I did get these from Momo Chang, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. This is a new seller, so this is a live first time look at what kind of product they are producing. Gucci Birkenstock. It's like the full clog, and then it does have just that subtle Gucci monogram print going all the way across the top. This isn't leather. This is a cloth shoe. Got some really nice rubber on the sole, and then do have the double G Gucci logo on the very bottom with a little bit of some textured cuts in there. And then the classic kind of Princeton Gucci gold embellished tassel piece on the top. Not too much to go over. They aren't very heavy, which is kind of what you want in a summertime flip-flop. Let's see here. All right, let's give you guys one to look at. I'm gonna look at this one. Does smell really good. Kind of smells like Payless back in the day. I'm gonna put it on. I wear an 11 or a EU45. This is an EU45. Oh yeah. It's actually a lot tighter on the top than my actual Birkenstocks, which I actually like. Wow. Yeah, the other one's just like, I don't know, there's just something about them. If I don't wear them with socks, they just feel slightly too loose. But this almost feels more of like a pool sandal because it's got that rubber bottom. And man, I'm a really big fan of these. They fit perfect, so order true to size if you're gonna end up copping a pair of these. I do think they have brown and blue and green as well. So if you don't want the all black pair, then you are free to do so. But Momo-chan coming in clutch just in time as pool season's kicking off. I have been swimming too. I don't know if I looked more tan than the last video, but down the street from me, my homies that I've met at this local little dive bar we go to, they own a scuba diving shop and they got a big old pool. So I've been going over there and swimming, getting my tan on, drinking some beers. It's been a grand old time. So yeah, can't wait to bust these out and wear these over there. And I do have some more stuff on the way. Always gonna have stuff on the way. I do have some other little gadgets and gizmos like this. So if you're into that type of stuff, or there's something that you've been on the fence wanting to buy, let me know down in the comments, and maybe I can find you a distributor, or I can do some tests and kind of save you some time and money, and we can find the good one. So yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys next time when I got some more stuff for you.